What's good, everybody, man? What's going on? It's your boy Vlogging with Greg, and I'm back with another reaction video, man. We got Carrie Underwood, Church Bells, man. So we're going to go ahead on and hop into it, man, and see what her original song, one of her original songs sounds like, man. Let's get it. Yo.
Jenny grew up wild like a Blackfoot daisy, out in the shack with a blue tick hound. Broke as hell, but blessed with beauty, the kind that a rich man can't turn down.
Hold on. Wait. She said a whole lot going on in there just now. Wait, hold on. I want to make sure that I'm following her. Hold up.
Jenny grew up wild like a Blackfoot daisy, out in the shack with a blue tick hound. Broke as hell, but blessed with beauty, the kind that a rich man can't turn down.
Ooh, that's what she said. Okay. Broke as hell, but blessed with beauty. I mean, in some cases, I guess it is hard to turn that down. You know what I'm saying? A girl said, broke as hell, but I'm blessed with beauty.
Like a Blackfoot daisy, out in the shack with a blue tick hound. Broke as hell, but blessed with beauty, the kind that a rich man can't turn down. She caught the eye of an oil man dancing one summer night in a dime store dress. She had the looks, he had the mansion, and you can figure out the rest. It was all roses, dripping in diamonds, sipping on champagne. But she was all uptown, wearing that white gown, taking his last name. She could hear those church bells ringing, and up in the loft that whole choir singing. Fold your hands and close your eyes, yeah, it's all gonna be alright. And just listen to the church bells ringing, yeah, they're ringing.
Okay, now I get it with the church bells. So evidently, she know that she's in. She know that she got him hooked. She got him exactly where she wanted him at. She made it. She found her a rich one. She made it. Now, you got to keep him. You got to keep him. You hear the church bell ringing, but you got to keep him.
And just listen to the church bells ringing, yeah, they're ringing. Danny was hosting junior league parties and having dinner at the country club. Everyone thought they were Ken and Barbie, but Ken was always getting way too drunk. Saturday night, after a few too many, he came home ready to fight. All his money could never save Jenny from the devil living in his eyes. It was all bruises, covered in makeup, dark sunglasses.
Whoa. Okay. Yeah. I mean, I should have known that it wasn't all peaches and creams. Say he got too drunk, came home. How she said that it wasn't enough money to save her. So all the makeup is just covering up fight marks. Dang.
Never saved Jenny from the devil living in his eyes. It was all bruises, covered in makeup, dark sunglasses. And that next morning, sitting in the back pew, praying with the Baptist, she could hear those church bells ringing, and up in the loft that whole choir singing. Fold your hands and close your eyes, yeah, it's all gonna be alright.
So I got a quick question. Is she just telling a story, or is this something that actually happened to her? 'Cause I know some people, they like to tell their life stories through songs. So I'm trying to see, is she actually talking about something that happened to her in her past, or what?
Jenny slipped something in his Tennessee whiskey. No lawman was ever gonna find, and how he died is still a mystery. But he hit a woman for the very last time. She could hear those church bells ringing, ringing. You're standing there in a black dress, singing, singing. Fold your hands and close your eyes. Yeah, it's all gonna be alright. And just listen to the church bells ringing, ringing. Yeah, they're ringing.
I like how she did that. Like, explained it from the beginning, what happened in the beginning, what happened in the middle, and how it ended. Like that's how you supposed to do with a story. I don't know if she was talking about herself, maybe something that happened to somebody that she know of, or or she just came up with it. I'm pretty sure it's not just came up with, because this stuff really does happen. It really does happen. But bruh, I ain't lie. It was a hard song. It's definitely a hard song, man. And them church bells can be meant for anything. I see that. It could be meant for anything, man. So yeah, I definitely enjoyed that, man. That was actually my first Carrie Underwood official song, like actually by her. So and I did enjoy it. I really did enjoy it, man. So y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You already know who it is. It's your boy Vlogging with Greg, baby. Out.